Rule 24, right of way, all about turning. Keep your eye on the white player here as he turns the ball to the right. Blue player is coming down the line. He has about 1 horse length, and the gap is closing fast. This looks like it's going to be a turning foul. And it is, in fact, the blue player's horse actually has to jump over the back of the white player's horse and almost crashes into him. So here he is, and the blue player, whoop, that's turning, classic turning. And here we go again from the drone. We have the white player tapping the ball. He turns right here. He does not have enough space, and the blue player's horse actually leaps over the back feet of the white player's horse as he turns. So looking at it in slow motion, you can see it very clearly. Now, why is this a foul? The white player, by turning to the right without enough space, is cheating the blue player out of coming and making a near side shot. If the blue player came and made a near side shot, he would crash into the white player. That's why it's a foul. There's a lot of confusion around turning, but that's, in its simplest form, that's what it is, and there's the foul right there. All right, let's do another easy one before we get to the close calls. Orange player here turns the ball to the right, and the white player almost cuts him in half. So we know it's an obvious turning foul. So let's take a look at this. Let's freeze it right here in slow motion. Remember where the line of the ball is, okay? There's the yellow is the line of the ball, and the orange player is turning to the right. The other orange player is trying to take out the white player, but he's not successful. So when he turns it here, white player comes in, and had he gone for a near side shot, he would have cut the orange player in half, and that's a foul. All right, this purple guy turning on the near side. Let's see what happens here. He goes to turn the ball on the near side. He actually enters the right of way of the white player coming down the line and with the right of way. This doesn't even have to be turning. It's just a simple right of way violation. This is an easy one. Players get confused on this because they're turning the ball and they're doing it on the near side, but really it's just a right of way violation. There's the foul right there. And it's pretty clear to see. All right, let's make this a little bit harder. White player turning the ball to the left. Well, you can turn the ball to the left in the rules, but you can't turn on the ball to the left. You have to pull the ball to the left. So let's take a look at this. White player wants to turn to the left. Okay, the yellow is the line of the ball. The white player needs to pull the ball to the left and get out of the right of way if he wants to successfully turn to the left. Instead, he just turns on the right of way and on the line of the ball to the left and cheats the green player out of a near side play. So that would be a foul there. Very hard to see, very hard to call. Okay, white player here turns to the right, and black player wants a turning foul out of it. The white player seemed to have enough time. Let's have another look. Okay, so we have white player coming in here, slipping behind the black player. The gap is about 3.5 horse lengths, and it's not closing that fast. So the white player looks like he's fine. He is not cheating the black player out of a near side shot, so no foul. Yes, this is a hard call to make, but he's got plenty of time here. Black player is not cheated out of anything, and the umpires properly let this one go. Let's get it a little closer call here. Here's a white player turning to the right, and the black player wants a foul. That looks very suspicious. Let's slow it down and have another look. All right, white player is coming in to make a turn, looks over his shoulder. He turns right here. This is a very close call. He has about 2.5 horse lengths, and the gap is closing, but it's not closing that fast. So if my partner called it, I would agree. If he did not call it, I would also agree. This is right on the edge, just so you know. White player turns it, black player trying to get the foul. Probably going to be let go, depending on the level of polo. And that is turning.